In this video, I'll show you how to build a box plot directly on top of your Power BI Semantic Model in Fabric Plan's intelligence sheet, and how it cross-filters with a matrix table that drills into your semantic model dimensions, so you can analyze distributions and explore supporting detail on the same canvas. Before building the visualization, I'll customize the intelligence sheet canvas. I'll adjust the canvas width and height to create a more polished layout, then apply a background color to improve readability and presentation. This gives me a clean, visually appealing canvas. Then, I'll add a box plot from the visualization panel and map my data directly from the semantic model. I'll populate the category, then the box plot values, lower and upper quartiles, minimum and maximum whisker values, and the median. I'll also map prior year and plan as reference markers, so distribution and target performance sit in the same view. Now I'll customize the box plot to make it more presentation ready. I'll update the box colors, adjust the minimum and maximum whisker colors, and fine-tune the overall formatting. Next, I'll configure the reference marker settings for prior year and plan. I'll then format the axis title and make a few additional styling updates to improve readability. Finally, I'll enable the legend and set the legend style. With those finishing touches in place, the visualization is ready to present and analyze. Next, I'll add a matrix below the box plot. This matrix connects to the same semantic model and provides the detailed values behind the distribution. I'll add product name on columns and month on rows, along with the planned and prior year measures. Because these fields already exist in the semantic model, I can use them directly without rebuilding any hierarchies. Then, to make the dashboard stand out, I'll add a text box and highlight a few key insights from the analysis. This provides additional context and helps users quickly understand the most important takeaways from the distribution and performance metrics. I'll also add a dashboard title to give the page a clear identity and make the overall presentation more polished. With the visuals, insights, and title in place, the dashboard is ready to share. Now I'll select a product in the matrix. The box plot instantly filters to display the distribution for the selected product. Because both visuals are connected to the same semantic model, selections remain synchronized across the canvas. I can continue exploring detailed monthly planned and prior year performance in the matrix while analyzing the corresponding distribution, targets, and benchmarks in the box plot. That's box plot with your Power BI semantic models, distribution analysis, prior year and plan reference markers, cross-filtering across semantic model dimensions, detailed performance exploration, and key business insights, all brought together on a single canvas.